Hello, B. Dr. R.V. Mohan, Naturopathy. In this video, I will explain the sciatica. What is the symptoms, what is the cause, and the treatment of the naturopathic methods. Sciatica is a serious condition of the nervous system. It is a neurotic condition of the sciatic of the nerve. It refers to the severe pain running down the course of the sciatic nerve, which is a supplies the sensation to the back of the leg and foot. The, this the sciatica nerve is the largest nerve in the body. It has branches in the thigh muscle and knee joints and uh, down into the muscle of the legs and feet. The nerve begins in the lower part of the back and the passes down the behind the thigh. It is more exposed to the injury and inflammation than the most of other nerves. Now let us see the symptoms. What is the symptoms? The patient of the sciatica feels the more severe pain in the buttocks, which may radiate down the posterior aspect of the thigh and cough to the outer border of the foot. In severe cases, he may feel weakness of the cuff muscle or foot drop. Sometimes the pain is so severe that the patient cannot stand and is crippled. In case of a rupture the disc, the pain is often aggravated by a coughing, sneezing, binding the forward, and straining at a stool. Often the pain is disappeared with bed rest, only the return days or the weeks in the latter of the sometimes the slightly injury or extra excretion. Now let us see the what is the cause. The cause is sciatica maybe any type of the injury to the spine because of the compression of the sciatica nerve and its root. Any infection or toxic material nearby the area of the nerve may be the result in these diseases. But the most of the cases, the trouble is due to either the rupture the disc or else osteoarthritis of the lower spine. If you look at the other cases, including the pregnancy, tumors of the pelvis, and deformities of the lower the spine, and expose of the cold and damp, the sciatica nerve may be even injured by the walking and running and riding the bicycle also. Prolonged the standing and the sitting in the one side of the edge of the chair may be also lead to this disease. The real cause of the sciatica, however, is a direct outcome of the excess acidic, acidity of the blood and the tissues is a rundown the condition, the system generally. It is only, it is one of the main form of acidosis. Now look into treatment part. How best is the naturopathic method? Certain homemade remedies have been found in the very beneficial in the treatment. The most important of these remedies is the use of the garlic and garlic milk. The vegetable should be cut into the small pieces and taken into the 1 teaspoon of the honey with each meal. Taken over the period of time, it will yield a good result in the relieving of the pain and suffering. Garlic milk can be prepared the both in the cooked and uncooked state also. In raw state, uncooked the form is more powerful. The milk is prepared by adding the pulp of the crushed garlic in the uncooked the buffalo milk. The proportion of a four cloves into the 110 ml of the milk. Another the method is boil to the garlic in the milk. The use of if you look at the another method, the use of the lemon is also beneficial. It is a sore in the state, but its a reaction in the body is alkaline. As such, it is valuable in the rheumatic affection, including the sciatica. A sufficient intake of the lemon juice in the prevent the deposit of the uric acid in the tissues. If you look at the massaging therapy, nutmeg is another effective remedies. The nutmeg should be the coarsely powdered and fried in the gingerly till oil until the particle becomes the brown. The oil can be applied the beneficial on the affected part of as the pain is relieved. And if you look at the aromatherapy, The herb of the comely is valuable in the sciatica. It is a commelin extract diluted in the vegetable oil should be the rubbed into the affected the part. A compressed of the comely flowers can also be the used in the beneficial in the treatment of this disease. And in another way, the herb of the Indian aloe vera is also beneficial in the treatment of this sciatica. The pulp of the leaf of this herb should be taken in the daily, obtaining the relief. If you look at the hydrotherapy, the cold hip bath is the morning and the hot or cold hip bath at night is very beneficial. For hip bath is a commonly rub in the maybe used. The rub should be the filled of the water, such as the way that it covers the hip and reaches up to the navel when the patient is sitting it. Generally, 4 to 6 gallons of the water is required. A support may be placed under the one edge of the elevator it by the 2 of the 3 inches. The water temperature for cold and hot hip bath should be the 10 degrees centigrade to 18 degrees centigrade. If it is a hot bath, 40 degrees centigrade to the 45 degrees centigrade is respectively. If you look at the yoga asanas, the patient should undertake the some exercise aimed to the strengthening and the back by doing the yoga asanas. Yoga asanas is preferably Pavanamuktasana, Bhujangasana, Shalabhasana, Uttapadasana, Shavasana is a very great remedies. If you look at the diet therapy, the best way to commence the treatment is intake the completely bed rest on the form of the mattress and supposed to the factors of the board of the few days. And after the rest and the absolutely after the resting, in case the disease is acute, the patient should be adopted the raw juice diet at least the 5 days. In this regimen, he should take the juice of the fresh fruit or vegetables such as the orange, apple, pineapple, pear, peach, carrot and beet every 2 hours from 8 am to 8 pm. Warm water anemia should be used in the daily during this period to clean up the bowel. Also, it is beautiful remedy. After the juice fast, the patient may be embarked upon a restricted diet for about the 7 days. In this regimen, breakfast may consist of orange, sweet lemon, pineapple and grapefruit. The lunch may be the comprised of a fresh fruit vegetable salad such as a carrot, cabbage, cucumber, tomato, radish with a lime juice and olive oil dressing and soaked the resin, prunes and fig and dates. And in dinner part, dinner may consist of a fresh fruit vegetable salad or one or two vegetables is steamed in their own the juices as such as the spinach, cabbage, carrot, turnip and cauliflower. And followed by this, the few nuts and some fruits like the apple, pears and pom and cherries. After the restricted diet, the patient may be adopted the well-balanced or optimized diet, well assimilated with all vitamins and other nutrients. The emphasis should be the whole grains, in the particularly whole wheat, in the brown rice and raw and spotted the seeds and milk, especially in the sowed form. This is a homemade cottage and the cheese. This is the all remedies of the naturopathic method. And if you look at the avoid of the foods, the patient should be avoid tea, coffee, sugar, white flours, all products made from the white flour sugar and all the fresh foods. He should also avoid the fried foods, condiments, pickles, alcohol, beverages, tobacco and smoking. Yes, this is about the sciatica cause and treatment and symptoms. And if you do above all these exercises and food habits, definitely you will come out these problem and you can proceed the normal life. If you like this video, subscribe and like it and share it and comment it. Thank you.